he wasn't a character like I tried picking up Meta Knight, and I definitely got bodied. I mean, there were definitely, when you watch high-level Meta Knight play in Brawl, I mean, you got to respect the people that play. They put in the work. You don't just spam Tornado and win, all right?
Yep. That was 2008.
Yeah, we're in a different time period.
3, 2, 1, go!
Right, we're starting off the next match. We got Vailskibum on. So I think, I'm not sure if this is a practice match. No, it looks like they're going for real.
Yeah, we're going against Vex. Seagull Joe.
Yeah, Seagull Joe, prominent Sonic player. We saw him do some work in doubles earlier today, so now it's a singles run, trying to get to that top 16.
Yeah, and Seagull, one of the picks to be in grand finals for the tournament. 6WX is also here, so we got 2 top Sonic players here today, which is a nightmare for everyone else because
Sonic is, he's so frustrating to play against.
Yeah.
More so than Sheik, probably, that you just have to hope that you can put out hitboxes.
Very nice down throw there. Joe still yet to take percent, but I jinxed him, so GG Seagull. Oh my god.
Rocket barrel bash was unsuccessful there.
Wow, and the fact that that happened and the barrels didn't blow up was very interesting.
Sonic, I have a love-hate relationship with Sonic because in order to do anything against his relentless assault, you just have to put out hitboxes and hopefully stuff. He has no lag on any moves. He's constantly moving. He will not stay still.
The thing about Sonic is that he's very high committal in his offense. Spin dashing around, he has to commit to come to you every time.
I guess that's the balance there. It's not like he's just being quote-unquote cheap. That scrub mentality, all right? You're right, you absolutely have to commit. And if you get bodied by like a Ganon up smash or some crazy hitbox mechanic that stuffs your move, then you pay the ultimate price there.
Also, basically any hitbox clanks him out of spin dash, so that needs to be taken into account as well. My man Vailskibum flying through with the jetpacks, but it's nice. Okay, down smash. Let's see if we can take this first stock and keep it to a manageable percent. Gets the forward smash, and that will do it. So 91 still is in the realm of possibility for him, and he's starting to get some offense on Seagull.
Yeah, it's nice that he was able to get that banana forward smash, but he's got to be careful and stay away from the edge. Sonic's gonna be looking for that back air and to get him off the stage there. Wow, he is not scared.
No, he is not. Oh my gosh. All right, Seagull reaching for that down smash.
Vailskibum doing a good job of trying to keep Sonic on his toes. Oh, the up smash, that's going to do it.
And Seagull and his rave party wristbands on his Sonic. Gonna take game 1. Seagull, one of those, like I said about Thunderstorm, man. Seagull, another wily veteran coming from Brawl. He was actually the best wolf in Brawl.
Oh, man.
And that character was all straight up fundamentals.
Yep.
Very strong mid-range game. So Seagull translates that well to Smash 4. Has a great understanding of that positioning right before you get into boxing range.
Of course.
And Seagull wins a lot of exchanges in that area.
I'm learning so much about the players here and their different play styles. And even though you've got, in my opinion, 2 annoying characters to fight because of my Donkey Kong main, I mean, everyone has their own unique play style, and that's central to why they're so successful.
Yep. And you saw Seagull right there get that spring reset, but the down air to get back to the ground was interrupted by the platform. So unfortunate for him, but he's getting these hits in. And the spring.
Nice, very nice recovery. He's doing so well in keeping Vailskibum off of his toes.
Yep.
I'm not used to seeing Diddy off the stage like this. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, yeah. That was a really good grab.
It's a good counter pick for Diddy Kong. It gives him a lot of room to move compared to Smashville. I mean, you would think that Smashville was big enough to accommodate all the moving around, but sometimes it's not as safe, so it's nice to have all these extra platforms, slightly higher ceiling. Ooh!
Oh, back air gonna come out. And Town and City not lending to the survivability.
No, not at all.
Oof. All right, down air, nice. Getting the cancel on it. Oh my gosh, and grabbing him during down smash. Good stuff by Vailskibum there. Not air dodging, now creating some offense for himself with Seagull getting the confirm.
Seagull Sonic is such a joy to watch. He's moving around like straight out blue butter. If I ever see blue butter, I'm not sure I'm going to do it myself.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat it, that's for sure.
Looks like Vailskibum has gone full offense here. He's playing a lot less afraid than he was that first stock.
Oh yeah, but reach in there with that up smash. What he needs to do is get that banana out, wait for Sonic to commit to come to him, and then use that banana to stop the approach, then create offense off of that. Oh man,
Some great patience by Seagull Joe, waiting for Diddy to throw that banana so he could avoid any further follow-ups there. Whoa!
Oh, okay, Seagull.
Doesn't play the game anymore, I guess. Oh, I was expecting an up air out of that.
Oh yeah, all right, that's classic Sonic right there. Down throw to try and read the tech. Oh, yeah, nice and easy. Seagull Joe back air. That will be a 2-0.
There are a lot of 2-0s happening on these streams right here.
So, yeah, Neon is telling us stuff.
All right, guys, we're going to take a 5-minute AFK here.
Yeah, all right.
We'll be right back after these messages.
Yeah.
And please stick around.
Stick around.
Yeah. So if you're not here when we get back, I will come to your house, sleep on your floor, and never leave. So we'll be right back. Okay? Stick around. Don't let him RKO you. He's the champ. He's the champ.
Flex.
Right. BRB. I love you. Welcome back, everybody. It's
All
your
right.
boy Black Enola and Gunblade here at Smashadelphia.
Yeah, man. And we're having a good time.
We just ate some tacos.
Oh, yeah.
Like 40 tacos between us.
Oh, yeah.
It was one for like 39.
It was actually piled up to here. And we just sort of looked at each other.
Yeah. Tacos are mad fresh. Shouts to Screenwave Media for hooking us up with tacos.
Yeah, man. You got a taco?
Yo, show
taco.
the stream about. Look at this goodness here. We got.
Oh, yeah.
Not even sponsored by
Let me
tacos.
see that
it's
real
really
quick.
white
Yeah.
here. Let me just. What we got here?
Let me see
Look at
that real quick.
All right. All right. There's
Shout
a
out to
semblance of a taco there.
Shout out to my Bray Wyatt shirt.
I wish they would be on. I just recently got back into wrestling. We have to talk wrestling. I just noticed that you were a big wrestling fan.
Yeah.
And I watched like a lot in the Attitude Era, and I stopped, and I got right back in after I found out what NXT was.
Yeah, it's pretty decent right now.
Just waiting for Bailey to make it to the main roster.
Which won't happen anytime soon
No,
because they don't have another babyface female
that's true.
to take over for him. So
Anyway, we're gonna get right back. Oh my God, I almost died on tacos. Don't.